I would quit on my health and fitness journey if I saw this stuff every day too.
This is what I eat in a day. First at the gate, coffee. So I have strong coffee blended up with some amrat, which is colostrum. And then I hit the gym, and if I'm really hungry, I'll start with a shake, crush it, and then post-training, I will have a breakfast like this, followed by some greens, AG1, and then I will knock out my Puri supplements. After training, this will be kind of a midday meal, and this is cottage cheese. I'll use some honey depending on how intense training was, and some dates, of course. More caffeine. I'll hit it with a nitro cold brew and a little bit of salt. Amazing. If I'm still hungry, I'll have some extra protein, and then dinner is probably one of my largest meals. And
unfortunately, for the everyday person that's trying to do better with their health and their fitness, when they see this stuff, because that's getting pushed through their algorithm because of popularity and views, it pushes them away. That doctor's nutrition was great. All her food was great, vitamins, minerals, a variety of good carbohydrates and protein sources. She did not need to have a coffee in the morning time with essential vitamins and minerals added to it, which is super expensive. She did not need to have colostrum in there because her food was perfect for her intestinal and gut health. She did not need to have an energy drink. She did not need to have a boutique, expensive, specialized rare salt to add to her food towards the end of the day. And she didn't need to have AG greens. All of that stuff there comes out, depending on your servings a day, somewhere between $400 to $600 a month. That's not including your food. Of course, you don't want to get fit. Put on top of that you see people doing crazy movements in the gym with burpees and muscle ups and all sorts of stuff like that. And you say, fuck it, this is not for me. People are already finding it hard enough to pay their bills. People are finding it hard enough already to take care of their kids and give them outdoor activities, sports, tutors, daycare, nurseries, babysitters, and all that stuff. Then you'll see something like this where somebody's using $500, $600, $700 worth of supplements, and the people promoting to you to buy everything organic, which is a couple $1,000, plus to go to the best gym, which is another $200, $300, $400 out of your pocket, and to pay for a coach, which is another $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 out of your pocket. Why would you want to get healthy and fit? It's impossible, and I understand that from people. You want to just find a balance. Eat normal, good, whole foods 85% of the time. Hydrate, move, exercise, sleep good. Remember how to laugh. Remember how to de-stress. Stay hydrated. Do that for 3, 5, 6, 7 months. Build some stability. Then take a blood test. If something's missing in your body and you're doing everything perfect, then you can add a supplement. Protein's pretty good, and creatine. Those are cheap and they work, and they actually save you money. That's all that you really need. Protein powder to save you money on food, or if you don't have time to cook more meats. Creatine will help you recover and make you stronger, make you feel better. And maybe some vitamin D if you don't get a lot of sunlight and your tests show that you're low. That's basically it. Some omega fats if you're not really eating a lot of good sources of food that have omega fats, because it's cheaper than buying the whole foods. Okay, $30 instead of $300, $400, $500. That's it. Any program, any coach that you join or you invest in should be teaching you things that are maintainable without the best gym, without a special class, without a special supplement. Things you can do for decades, things you can do on holiday, on vacation, when you're feeling good and when you don't feel good, okay? Without any tricks or gimmicks or special machines or powders or any sort of outfits. The rest of it is all a gimmick, okay? Everything in front of your face on that screen is about consumers. I am selling to you right now, okay? I am a coach. I coach hundreds and hundreds of people around the world. The only thing I sell them is the solution for them to get out of their way and learn what works for them that's sustainable. And all of them have a different routine and a different nutrition plan and a different training plan. Because the other one, if he tries what's good for her or the other person, it's going to fail. And it's not going to be a supplement or an injection or a special gym or a waist trainer or anything like that.